So this is where we are staying in Bergamo. So we are on Città Alta, and this is a really nice apartment we've stayed in a couple of times. I've stayed here twice. Aidy, I think 3 times I've stayed here. I'm hoping that's going to zoom in on the name for you. There we go. And we are up 3 flights of stairs, so it's a good test of your athleticism when you get here. But yeah, you've got the option to make this sofa into another bed, which is really handy if you're kind of staying with a few people. The really nice thing about this apartment is actually, I would say, the view. So if I sneak you over to this window, we're looking out onto the funicular, which is somewhere down there. Here we go.
The funicular itself is about 120 years old and connects the upper city to the lower city across 2 rails. They run every like 6 or 7 minutes, and prices are quite reasonable as well. Just check online before you go and see what times they're running.
And obviously you kind of see the mountains in the distance, and there's some really nice, don't have to lose my phone up there, artwork actually down, I can focus on that, on the street at the moment, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can get a little zoomed in for you. Anyway, yeah, gives you really beautiful views. And got a little seating area. It's a really nice little kitchen. And actually, with this stay, Aidy didn't realise we've kind of paid for breakfast. But actually, for just the 2 of us, it's awesome. The amount of stuff they leave for us.
You can take some local wine and try it for yourself.
Always tempting.
And then also fill the fridge up for you.
Yeah, they put some real goodies in that.
So we've got a lot of yogurt.
A lot of yogurt, a lot of cheese, and a lot of meat for Aidy. So yeah, really good space. You then have your bathroom through here. Try not to film myself looking rough as anything. And through here, if I can grab the door, get myself out. We have a little balcony, and you get some really lovely views. You can see the bell tower. Bergamo's just so beautiful. There's a little car park below. Such a gorgeous place. And I shall sneak you back through, as you do, through the bathroom. And then this particular one is upstairs to the bedroom. Let's see if I can do this without falling over. Now this is where being a short ass like me is handy, and not so much for Aidy, because we're a little bit snug up here. And there's a bit of a beam to give you a migraine if you're not careful in the morning. But again, really lovely thing about here is the views that you get out from the windows. So climbing up 3 flights of stairs suddenly seems quite worth it. But yeah, obviously, yeah, there's your bed. It's a super comfy bed. Nice squeaky floorboards, but we'll ignore that. Let's see if I can open this window. Here we go. It's so nice just to hear people. I don't know why. I find it really a relaxing place to be. And then you have the new city below, and just some epic people watching, if that floats your boat. And you know, whose boat isn't floated by just watching people eating pastries and drinking coffee all day long? That's pretty much the plan. So yeah, we're here for the next, oh my goodness, 4 days till New Year. And yeah, we got a sort of early flight this morning, and it's really easy actually. We took the bus, but I will go over all of that in another video, I am sure. But this is where we're going to be for the next few days. and they are very friendly here, super helpful. So yeah, I'm sure we will link everything below, and definitely one, as I say, as soon as we've stated multiple times, that we recommend. And there you go. As Aidy's just going to lovingly show you here, you have a really big wardrobe, which is perfect when you just want to get in and hide all your rubbish, keep the place looking nice. And this inspired Aidy to put lights in our wardrobes at home. That's how much he likes it. Perfect. So yeah, you get loads of space here.
Spare bedding.
I think we've even noticed, yeah, there's another bed actually, isn't there, this year? So that would sleep 5 people. Yeah. And this is going to be our home. And there you have it. We always enjoy it here.